2:5-2 Basics is based on a verse of Scripture that describes how Jesus grew up. It's Luke 2:52. It says that Jesus grew in wisdom and stature and favor with God and man. There are ultimately three principles that bubble up from that passage. One is that Jesus grew in wisdom. One is that Jesus grew in favor with God, which is faith. And one is that he grew in favor with man, which we think is friendship or relationships. So our curriculum is basically built around three principles, three anchors. One has to do with faith, one has to do with wisdom, one has to do with friendship. And ultimately, as we unpack these three issues, what we're trying to get children to grow up and say is, I can trust God no matter what. That's favor with God and faith. I need to make the wise choice. Again, that's wisdom. And I should treat others the way I want to be treated, and that's favor with man. So it's important to understand as you unpack this curriculum that every week we're going to be focusing in on one of those three issues. We may use 150 Bible stories to surface the issues. We package it in context of biblical virtues, but it really does come back to one of these three issues. And we know that this curriculum may be harder than other curriculums because we're going to push at certain values that we think are critical in the development of a child. For example, we will push really hard at establishing a consistent group leader and a consistent group experience for every child because we believe that every child needs a place to belong and someone who believes in them. And as we unpack the large group production, there will be some elements and components that we push to the edge because we want to create a relevant experience for kids so that their imaginations can be engaged when it comes to who God is and what His truth is about. And there's another very important part of this curriculum that we don't want you to miss. In the context of the curriculum, we've designed an entire section that is called Family Production because we hope that every church, either several times a year, once a month, or once a week, will create a shared experience for parents and kids so that ultimately you make a philosophical decision that what happens at home is just as, if not more important than what happens at church. And you create a way to engage parents as real partners in your ministry.